Are you tired of the same old Valentine's Day traditions? Want to surprise your loved one with something truly unique and heartfelt? Look no further. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 unconventional ways to express your love that go beyond the typical chocolates and flowers. From writing a heartfelt letter to planning a surprise weekend getaway, these ideas are sure to make your partner feel special and loved. So, get ready to take notes and be inspired to think outside the box when it comes to showing your love. Press play and let's get started. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Step 1. Write a heartfelt letter. Writing a heartfelt letter is a timeless and personal way to show your love. It allows you to express your feelings in a way that is intimate and meaningful. Example, take some time to sit down and reflect on all the things you love and appreciate about your partner. Write a letter that is honest, sincere, and from the heart. You can share specific memories, express your gratitude for all the things they do, or tell them how they make you feel. The key is to make it personal and meaningful. You can choose to deliver the letter in person, or you can mail it to them as a surprise. Either way, it's a thoughtful and heartfelt gesture that will show your partner how much you care. Writing a heartfelt letter is a simple, yet powerful way to express your love and to make your partner feel special and appreciated. Step 2. Plan a surprise weekend getaway. A surprise weekend getaway is a perfect way to show your love and to spend some quality time together. It's a great opportunity to get away from the daily routine and to create new memories. Example, plan a surprise weekend getaway to a place that your partner has always wanted to visit. It could be a cozy cabin in the woods, a romantic beachside resort, or a city that they've always wanted to explore. The key is to choose a destination that will make your partner feel special and loved. Pack your bags, book your tickets, and make all the necessary arrangements in secret. When the time comes, surprise your partner with the news and watch their face light up with excitement. A weekend getaway is not only a great way to show your love, but it's also a perfect opportunity to reconnect, to relax, and to create new memories together. Discuss how a surprise weekend getaway can be a romantic and exciting way to show your love. Offer suggestions on how to plan the perfect getaway, such as researching destinations and making reservations in advance. Remind viewers to consider their partner's preferences and interests when planning the trip. Step 3. Cook a homemade dinner. Cooking a homemade dinner for your loved one can be a romantic and intimate way to show your love. It allows you to spend quality time together and to put your love and care into preparing a delicious meal for them. Example, plan a special menu together and make it a fun and interactive experience. Choose a dish that your partner loves and make it with your own twist. It could be a classic dish like spaghetti and meatballs, or something more fancy like a surf and turf. Either way, the key is to make it a memorable and enjoyable experience. Set the table with candles and flowers and play some romantic music while you cook. It's the small touches that will make the dinner extra special. And don't forget, sharing a homemade meal is always more delicious when you have someone you love to share it with. Step 4. Create a memory book. A memory book is a unique and personal way to showcase all the special moments you have shared together. It can be filled with photographs, ticket stubs, love notes, and other keepsakes that hold special significance to the two of you. Example, start by picking out a beautiful scrapbook or photo album. Then, go through all your old photographs and choose the ones that hold the most meaning to you. Print them out and add them to the book, along with any other special mementos you have collected. Write captions or personal notes next to each picture to help tell the story of your relationship. Not only is creating a memory book a fun and creative activity to do together, but it's also a great way to reminisce on all the amazing memories you've shared and look forward to creating many more in the future. Step 5. Do something unexpected. Surprise your partner by doing something they would never expect. It could be something as simple as showing up at their work with their favorite coffee, or as grand as planning a surprise vacation. The key is to think outside the box and do something that will make them feel special and loved. Example, write and perform a song that you wrote just for your partner. It could be a romantic ballad or something fun and upbeat, but the important thing is that it comes from the heart and shows them how much you care. Thanks for watching. We hope you found our tips for unconventional ways to show your love helpful and inspiring. Remember, it's the little things that can make the biggest impact. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and to show your love in unique and meaningful ways. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. We'll see you in the next one.